concrete noises. New power lines. Sorry, but it's not good. Okay, well, this is the greatest road I like. It's tarmac, but I say terrible asphalt. Just listen to it. Some songs I listen to on the ones I record, some are like this too. And some games on flash drives too. So just listen to it and look at it. I make that noise too. But there's bad news, guys. I'm afraid this part's gonna be gone pretty soon because they're gonna widen this road, which I'm very most fucking mad about. I'm sorry I had to say that, but it's really true, bro. I just want things to be the same because I'm used to it. But I would, hey, look, chocolate milk, buddy. Anyway, I'm sorry that has to be gone. But I'm a little glad it's gonna be put to good use. But I'm gonna be really sorry to lose part of this. Just listen to it, the way it sounds like. Back then I used to say tarmac, but now I say tarmac now. And this part they widen this road up. Sorry, my mom just was yawning. But I kind of a little like this road because, see, they put new guardrails on and they're shiny. But there's also one problem. This part, you know how you see some concrete noises that gets to the bridge and under the bridge, and some under the bridge being over the bridge? This part, they tarmac over them, which I'm really most upset from you workers, and I had to say, but it's true, bro. It was right here, and that other side of this too. You know, years later, they're gonna be coming back when you see the crack where they were. And I'll be happy later on. If some of you like the way the roads are like when they're bad, I'm sorry to you if some were your favorite. Now in the middle, rocks in the middle, which is very decorative. In Fort Wayne, it's concrete wall. Okay, up ahead, that bridge over here that we're going over, that was concrete noise too, and that side too. It started right here. It's tarmacked on it. That bridge. But I'm glad it was getting put to good use. But I'm sorry to lose it. Ooh, these power lines. V. When I was little, I always loved them. Because they're like a V, the letter V. Like vertical. What the? They told the line where road is. I see. Well, that's good, bro. Now on that side of that wall right there, that wasn't there before they made this road wider. Some of these lights, there were a few of them. Now this bridge up ahead, that was concrete. What the? They were doing that choreo. Anyway, the road, there was concrete noise right here. Tarmacked, and it ended right here. And that bridge overhead, which is the very last one, concrete noise here, and on that side too. Tarmacked, and it ended right here. That choreo, it was great. Now we were doing it. Yeah, that's the concrete noise. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and sorry I had to say that words, but I'm very serious, I liked it. And if some of you liked the roads that were terrible, I'm sorry if there was some of your favorite and you had to lose some of it. But I thought the concrete noise would stay there forever, but it's not. And this is Evan, one of the persons that I can trust, and I'm perfect at. Bye-bye.